Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn how to use Pytest Fixtures in Python. Let's start by looking at the tests directory. I have a special conf test.py file and two test files which contain a total of 3 tests. Conf test.py file is a special Pytest file which provides fixtures for the entire directory. Any fixtures defined here can be used by any test in this package without a need to import them. Fixtures are functions that are used to initialize test functions. You use the @pytest.fixture decorator to define them. Here I'm defining a read_config fixture which is reading the queries.text file. To use a fixture in your test function, just pass them as the first argument. Here I'm passing the read_config fixture in both the test_first query and the test_second query test functions. In the test functions for the cash_sales report, I'm asserting whether the select keyword appears in both the queries. Similarly, for the customer report, I'm asserting whether the select keyword appears in the query output. To execute both the test files, right-click on the tests folder and hit Run Pytest. As you can see, all 3 tests passed. Let's see what happens if I change the select keyword in one of my tests to XYZ. Now, one of my tests is failing, as expected. To export the test results in an HTML format, hit the Export Test Results button. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.